How to fix WhatsApp icon not showing. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can fix if the WhatsApp icon is not showing up on your display on your home screen. Now if you head up to your home screen or your display here, you'll be able to see all the icon of the apps right there. Now you can see the WhatsApp right here on my screen. Now if you don't find one, then it might just be a glitch or a bug. Now to fix this issue, you can try a couple of things. The first is restart your device itself. Now you can press and hold the power button and then you'll get an option to restart your phone and power off your phone. Just restart your device and reboot your device and it will fix the issue. However, if your WhatsApp icon still doesn't pop up on your display, then what you can do is first uninstall and then reinstall the app again. Now you can head into Play Store and search for WhatsApp and you get this option right here, and then tap on uninstall and then confirm the uninstall and uninstall it, and once you uninstall it then reinstall it again and it should probably appear again. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.